I'm so bad, I'm so ugly, I'm so unlucky, I'm not so blessed, nobody likes me, nobody loves me, I don't have anything in my life. I'm so frustrated, nobody likes me, I'm so unlucky, I'm not so blessed. You are watching this video right now, but I'm 100% confident that only 20% of your mind is listening to what I'm saying here. Your 80% of mind is right now occupied on just a single thought that how unhappy I am in my life. I'm sharing here my own personal favorite key with you to be always happy. I know the person sitting in front of me is so special but is not able to find happiness in any moment of life. I know right now you are very unhappy with your life, you are tensed, you are frustrated, exhausted. But trust me, you have a beautiful heart and a pure soul, but that is getting overshadowed just because of your negative emotions and mindset. And let me tell you one thing, that these are not yours. The negative emotions and mindset comes from your past experiences, and this is not your personality. So the solution to all these problems is just one thing, is always to be happy. So here I'm going to share with you all these 7 secret mantras to be happy and to find inner happiness. Now you can sit with me with a piece of paper and a pen, and you can jot down all the key points or all the headings of the 7 ingredients of your happiness journey, which I'm going to share you in this video. And just stick that piece of paper on the wall of your room, and whenever you feel sad, worried, frustrated or tense, just have an eye on that piece of paper, and trust me, your mood is going to change instantly and you will shift your negative emotions to positive ones. Before I just start with a video, there is a small disclaimer for everyone. You may increase the speed of this video, but make sure that you don't skip even a single second of this video, because each and every secret ingredient is extremely important and essential for your happiness journey. So make sure that you are watching the entire video. So without any further ado, let's start. First secret ingredient is self-acceptance, and it is a prerequisite for your happiness journey. It is absolutely impossible to be happy if you are not able to accept, love and acknowledge yourself the way you are. Now if you are thinking that you will be able to love and acknowledge yourself when you accomplish all your desired goals, then sorry, you are mistaken, because happiness has nothing to do with the accomplishment of your goals or being successful. It is just accepting yourself the way you are at this moment. So number one, you have to keep in mind, that is self-acceptance. Now the second most important thing is to question yourself, are you willing to be happy? Means happiness is an art, and which you have to learn to be happy in each and every given situation of your life. Now suppose, for example, if I today give you that one thing for which you are craving in your mind for years and years and years, will you be happy for your complete lifetime? Well, I don't think so, because if that will have been the case, you have right now so many reasons to be happy. That is, you have a good family, you have a good job, degree, decent amount of money, you have a mobile phone on which you are watching this video. You have each and everything which others might not have, and then too, you are not happy right now, and that's why you are clicking on this video. So if these are not the enough reasons which are making you happy, or which can make you happy at the present moment, what is the guarantee that that one thing, if I'll give you right now, which you think that if I'll achieve that thing, everything is going to fall in place, what is the guarantee that you will be happy in your future? Now the third ingredient which you need to understand is, true happiness is not just having fun. Definitely fun is extremely important in life. Fun gives us pleasure, it makes us laugh, it helps us to temporarily ignore and avoid our problems. But trust me, once this fun activity gets end, the effect soon diminishes. So fun is just a way to avoid your problems, to ignore your problems for a short period of time, and if the fun is long lasting, it can also lead to frustration. True happiness is completely different from the fun you are having or chilling with your friends. True happiness demands accepting all your highs and lows, all your ups and downs, smooths and rough. True happiness is not an indication of having zero problems in your life. It is just accepting and having a self belief that whatever the situation or the case may be, I am strong enough to convert all the challenges into opportunities and be happy from within. Number 4 is happiness is infectious. Trust me, it comes from my own personal experiences. Happiness, frustration, they are all infectious. Just for example, if you are surrounded with only the people who are frustrated in their life, who are complaining, who are always sad, always self-blaming, under self-guilt, their vibe and aura is going to pass on to you and you are going to feel the same feelings like them. So make sure that you are surrounded and get mixed with the people who are happy, who are not so frustrated, who are basically accepting all the situations in their life with a grace, with a smile. So life is exciting and it is surprising, so just enjoy it, and at the same time work on your own happiness so that you can spread it to others too and attract happy people in your life who infect you. Number 5 is laugh loud and smile even in tough situations. Trust me, it is my own personal experience and I'm sharing here my own personal favorite key with you to be always happy is whenever you get frustrated or angry on someone, just take a pause and just smile. When you smile, when you laugh, you feel so good. It is a scientific thing that when you smile, when you laugh, happy hormones get released and you automatically, your mood changes altogether. So just instead of repeating the bad and the past incidents again and again and again in your mind and feeling low, pause yourself, smile and see the magic. Your mood is going to change altogether and instantly. And you also can have some chocolates or sweets or watch some funny dramas, read the funny books, which will definitely make you feel happy instantly. So I'll give you the live example. If I talk like this, okay, I'm like this, I'm so bad, I'm so ugly, I'm so unlucky, I'm not so blessed, nobody likes me, nobody loves me, I don't have anything in my life, I automatically am feeling right now tensed, frustrated, worried and sad. If I talk like this with a smile, the same thing, that I'm so frustrated, nobody likes me, I'm so unlucky, I'm not so blessed, but I'm not feeling the words which I'm saying right now because I am having a smile on my face and this is my biggest strength. So whenever you are frustrated, angry or tensed or worried or sad, just take a pause and smile. The 6th most important ingredient of a happy life is have a count on your blessings. Channelize your thoughts, your energies only in good things and the good people by which you are surrounded. Don't get gel up with the people who hate you or who have complaints with you. Just surround it, just accompany yourself only with them, only with such people who definitely love you without any terms and conditions, and just feel blessed, feel lucky, feel very good, because it's all about how you feel and how you see yourself. Definitely having a vision in your life and aiming for that, taking actions for that, making plans for that is extremely important to lead a happy life. But show your gratitude towards what you have at the present. Remember one thing, happy people have an attitude of gratitude. So start exercising this attitude from today itself. The last most important ingredient is to be in present. You are watching this video right now, but I'm 100% confident that only 20% of your mind is listening to what I'm saying here. Your 80% of mind is right now occupied on just a single thought, that how unhappy I am in my life. Stop this. Whatever happened in the past, in the last year, last month, last week, or some few minutes ago has gone forever and you can't change it. You have to acknowledge it. Don't let your bad past experiences to overshadow your present and ruin your future. Be in the moment. How can you be in the moment? Change your negative self-talk to the positive one. Stop blaming, complaining about yourself, and stop feeling guilty for everything happening around you. Tomorrow is another day, my champ, and it is not the same day which you lived yesterday. Remember this thing. and every day unlocks a new challenge which you can convert into opportunities if you are happy from inside and if you are living in present. Trust me, if you start valuing your present, your future will automatically be bright and filled with utter happiness. Congratulations to all those who are with me right now till the end of this video, and you are going to unlock your happiest journey of your life. Trust me. To sum up, your happiness is not dependent on your accomplishments, earning good amount of money, or your success. If you succeed in life, great. If not, at least you have enjoyed trying. And the one most important thing, which is last but not the least, your happiness should not be dependent on anyone's mood. Only you should have the key of your happiness. Are you excited to unlock your new happiness journey? Be happy and spread happiness. Are you happy in your life? Do let me know in the comment section below.